How to make frames in Canva. Making frames in Canva allows you to add or crop images and videos into a shape you want it to be. Now I'm here to teach you how to get this done. So first things first, you need to have a pro account in order for you to be able to do this one. And if you have a pro account, then go ahead and follow these simple steps. So that is an example of the frame that I'm talking about. Alright, you are able to basically input or put them in here. Now we're going to go ahead and make this one. So first things first, I want you to go ahead and look for any design that you want. For example, I'm just going to go ahead with these dragons here. It is very important, by the way, that you are going to choose something that is like this, something that has like this solid color. So for example, these dragon face here, I'm going to go ahead and put it there. And then once you're done with this, you're just going to go ahead and share this one. Download this as SVG. There you go. As you can see, it needs to have a pro account. Now I'm going to download this one. Alright, so there it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and open a PowerPoint. And here we're going to go ahead and insert. Click pictures and then go ahead and basically find that one. So I'm going to go and look for it. I bet. Okay, there you go. Once this is added, you're going to go ahead and convert this one to shape, just like so. As you can see, we now have two things. One is going to be the dragon, and the other one is going to be this background here. So we're going to delete the background, and we're just going to resize the dragon, make sure it fits. There you go. We're going to put it there. Alright, now once it's done, the next thing that you're going to do is click this one, and then we're going to go ahead and find this one, shape fill. Click this right here, and then we're going to choose picture. Now from this one, go ahead and basically upload any picture here. In my case, I'm just going to choose this one right here. It seems like a flame or fire. And once it's done, you're going to go ahead and basically save this one as PDF. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to save it in our desktop. So I'm going to call this one Fire Dragon, say for example. And then we're going to save it again as PDF. Click save, and now you have your Fire Dragon. Now close this one and go back here in Canva, and you're going to go ahead and click home, and then we're going to create a new design and import a file. So go ahead and look for that Fire Dragon and then upload it here. Alright, now that it's uploaded, we're going to go ahead and open it. And there it is. Now this time, go ahead and click this Fire Dragon of yours, and then go ahead and press the delete button, or you can click this one right here. So there you go, you have delete image or delete frame. I'm going to choose delete image. And there you go. So now we have our own shape. Go ahead and do whatever you want here. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the ocean or sea, for example. I'm going to go ahead and put it here. So this one. Alright, now I'm going to drag it into our dragon. So that is how it looks. Pretty crazy, right? So it is amazing. Go ahead and explore this feature according to what you want and according to what you need. So yep, that's basically how you are going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to make frames here in Canva. Upgrading to Canva Pro has been a game changer for people who are serious about getting top quality designs, even if they are beginner whose knowledge of designing is limited. It offers a suite of advanced design tools and exclusive templates that can elevate the quality of your projects. Should you be interested, click that link on the description box and the comment section below and enjoy amazing perks just for you. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.